I know many of you might have been seeing this on your professional dashboard, on your Facebook page, and some people are worried about it because some apps that are not monetized, they were like, it's already monetized. Then how are we going to earn on this tool? What is this tool all about? A lot of questions have been going on. So guys, you know Facebook has been doing a lot of updates on their platform, so they want to roll away many tools and bring in new tools. And if you can remember, there is something called branded content tagging on your Facebook page. So they use this partnership as to replace that branded content tagging. So this as is for both monetized and non-monetized pages. If you are not monetized yet, you can be earning from this partnership ad, and if you are monetized, you will also be earning from it. So that's the good news about this partnership ads. Then the question is, how are you going to be earning from this partnership ads? Number one is through companies inviting you to advertise their products on your platform. Brands can invite you to advertise their products on your platform. So when they invite you, you accept the invitation, bargain your price with them. If it is good for you and them, then you go ahead and advertise their products on your platform. It's a very good opportunity for both monetized and non-monetized pages. And for you to get this invitation, for them to send you this invitation, it means that your page has to be on fire. When I mean on fire, you need to be having engagement on your page. Without engagement on your page, nobody will come for you. So do you see it? So you have to work hard on your page. If you're posting 1 or 2 times daily, from now start posting up to 10 times. Post both pictures, both reels, both videos. You go live, text, link, everything postable. You know that if you post, you will not go against Facebook community standard. Better start doing it. This is not the time of being lazy on your page. This is time of being serious with your page, because if you're not monetized, you'll be earning from this partnership ads. And if you're monetized, you'll be earning 2 places. You'll be earning from the company or the brand. You will also be earning from Facebook. Isn't this amazing? It is. So please, on your side, to be more serious with your page than ever before. Okay? Don't be the type that will post today and not post again in 1 week. No. This partnership ad is not for people like that. It's for people that are very serious on their page. People that take their page as an egg. You know that your page is supposed to value it. Take it so precious. Value it, because once you are serious on your page and you eventually get monetized, or you will eventually get this partnership as invitation. Oh, you're money now. You're money. What are we looking for? Is it not the money? That is it. So you need to be very, very serious on your page. Post, consistently posting on your page. That is the only way for you to, for companies or brands to invite you to advertise their products. So this is time for you to be very serious. This is the time for you to showcase what you can do, that your talent, or you bring it out on this platform and earn good. Okay, so that is all about this partnership ads. So guys, just be serious, consistent on your page, and brands, companies, businessman, businesswoman, business lady can send you invitation for you to advertise your product on your page. And once you're known, you'll be making good money. So what are you waiting for? This is the opportunity for you watching me. If you don't have a Facebook page, what are you waiting for? What what are you using that phone on your hand for? It's used to scroll from one social media platform to another. Use it and be useful to yourself. Go and get a page. To create a page is do not cost you anything to create a page. Write at the comment section, I don't know how to create a page. I will make a video on how you will create a page, a business page that will be fetching you income. So guys, that's all. Thank you guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do where to hit that subscription button, follow, like, share, and comment. Turn on your notification for more videos like this. I love you all. Bye guys. See you in my next one.